Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to completely uninstall and completely remove the Checklists plugin from your Redmine. Okay, there are three steps that you have to do. The first step is that you have to open your terminal or command line with Ctrl, Alt and T. I'm going to zoom it a little bit for you so it will be easier to see it. Okay, now you have to go to your core Redmine folder directory, which in my case it is home Dimitar Redmine 5. Now the first step is that you have to downgrade your database for the checklist plugin. So it is done with the command bundle exec rake redmine plugins name, and here on the name it is very important to set the correct name for the plugin you are trying to remove. So in our case it is Redmine Checklists. Okay, so now you continue writing version 0 Rails and production. Okay, so we click enter and continue. We see okay, so our downgrading of the database has just finished. Alright, the second step that you have to do is to remove the plugins folder from the Redmine itself. So as being in the core Redmine folder, you have to execute command rm, which is remove, and these are forcibly and recursively plugins Redmine checklists. Okay, and the very last step that you have to do is to just restart our Redmine. So it is done with the command touch temporary restart point.txt. So now let's go back to our Redmine and see if we have done our job successfully. So this is our page, and we click on refresh and see if the checklist is going to disappear. So we wait a couple of seconds because Redmine needs some time for the restarting. Okay, so the page has just restarted and we see that the checklist plugin is now gone. So we have done our job successfully and we have completely removed the checklists from Redmine. Alright, I hope this video was very helpful for you, and if you like it, you could check our videos in our documentation. So thank you very much for watching it, and bye bye for now.